Energy Web is a global non-profit on a mission to accelerate the energy transition by developing and deploying open-source Web3 technologies that help companies unlock business value from clean and distributed energy resources. Why Web3? Web3 is a loaded term. Proponents claim it's the future of the internet. Critics say it's a solution looking for a problem, or worse. Regardless of your view, one thing is undeniable. There are few examples of decentralized technologies solving meaningful problems and creating real-world value for users. For Web3 to shake its reputation as nothing but a marketing term, the industry needs to stop making promises about the future and start demonstrating tangible impact. This is our mission at Energy Web, and we're not alone. Since our founding in 2017, we've worked with our community to identify, test, and validate specific business processes where Web3 technologies provide distinct and material benefits. We've found hundreds of ways not to use blockchain, and a few use cases with huge potential. To realize that potential, we now package multiple Web3 components, including public blockchains, self-sovereign identities, and decentralized architectures, into comprehensive, enterprise-grade solutions that energy companies use to reduce costs, improve efficiency and security, or build entirely new businesses. Ignore the hype, take pessimism with a grain of salt, and learn how companies are using Web3 to solve business challenges today. Starting as a joint initiative in 2017 between RMI, a global non-profit with decades of experience identifying pathways to profitably decarbonize the energy sector, and Grid Singularity, a noted blockchain developer who saw the technology's promise in the energy sector, along with a cohort of 10 founding energy companies. Although business models supporting clean and distributed energy have long been clear, they aren't scaling quickly enough to achieve global decarbonization targets. One key barrier is a lack of cohesion when it comes to digital technology. In all energy systems, today's digital landscape is highly fragmented and inefficient, railing on complicated integrations between competing platforms and protocols throughout supply chains. This approach won't work in an environment with evolving objectives, a growing number of stakeholders, and an increasingly diverse resource mix. To make the global energy transition successful, the energy sector needs digital technology that enables a fundamentally different way of working, namely, radically reducing the cost and complexity of coordinating a multiplicity of companies with different roles, objectives, and its systems. We started Energy Web to build it. Energy Web officially launched with 10 founding companies: Shell, Tokyo Electric, Sempra, Equinor, Centrica, Steeden, TWL, Singapore Power, Elia Group, and Enjai. Initial task forces begin work exploring blockchain solutions for traceability, demand response, and utility billing. Tobalaba, the first Energy Web blockchain test network, is launched with 13 validators. Energy Web membership surpasses 50 companies. Origin, the first EW decentralized application for issuing renewable energy certificates, is launched. Volta, the Energy Web pre-production test network, is launched. Membership surpasses 100 companies. The Energy Web chain is launched with 10 initial validators. Energy Web token is first listed on public exchanges. Multiple energy companies deploy applications on the Energy Web chain. Flex, the EW decentralized application for managing distributed energy resources, is launched. The Energy Web Decentralized Operating System, a full stack of decentralized services, applications, and blockchain technologies, is launched. Initial roadmap for using EWT to pay for bundled services in the utility layer of EWDOS published. Energy Web Community Fund Governance Mechanism established. Introduction of EWT staking for decentralized service level assurances for utility layer services. Initial EWT staking pool, the first to feature DID-based authentication and authorization, is launched. Roadmap for the next generation of EW technology, backed by the Consortia Relay Chain, is announced. EWDOS components are packaged into 3 comprehensive solutions: asset management, data exchange, and green proofs. scheduled launch of Energy WebEx testnet.